Okay, Vinod, take your charger and charge your laptop. It seems to be it's down. I can see the symbol. It's very low. Are you also using the Lenovo laptop?
No, no, HP laptop, sir.
Okay, HP laptop. Okay. So the thing is that now I'm going to start as in the previous sessions we have seen we have able to discuss about how to create the users inside the Active Directory and how to create a group and how to enable MFA. So whenever we create users, whenever we assign that user to particular group, we may need to create a group and then we need to enable MFA for particular users. So that part we have done in our previous lab. So in this lab, I'm going to explain you about how to set up a network security, how to set up a network security with NSG. NSG is basically a
National Security Group.
network security group. So what you can do, you can just search on the top bar network security. So first of all, you need to create a virtual network. So
Okay.
again, you need to search, go to resource networking and virtual network. Okay, okay, create virtual network. I hope we have already done this in our previous class, so you are aware of how to create virtual
Yeah, yeah,
network.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
So do it for me once more. So networks watcher is RGI. This the resource group is already available. You can use that same one.
What is Network Watch Raji, sir?
That is by default resource group
Okay, or
given
resource
by
group. Okay,
Azure.
okay, fine,
Yeah,
fine.
you can also create new. You can put the VNet name, all the virtual network name.
Can you review?
Yeah, you can review and create. Yeah, you can create. So now you have created the VNet. Just open the detail of your VNet name, region, and IP address. Go to resource. Just click on go to resource.
Go to resource.
The
Where?
NSG. Wait here. NSG resource. Wait.
Go to
Go
resource.
to
Yeah, yeah,
resource.
got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Once it create the resource, it will give you. See here all the details related to address space, IP address range, which is 10.0.0.0/16, and the DNS server, your flow timeout, this all a networking concept. You can read it offline. And then virtual network ID. So whenever you created Azure ID, Azure Active Directory, you have the tenant ID. Once you create virtual network, you get that virtual network ID. So your virtual network, you have given the name NSG, right? The name of virtual network, NSG. Hello.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Virtual network ID. Yes.
So the name you have given the NSG, right? You need to
Yes,
give
sir.
the name. Okay, VNet something like that. Okay, that might be confusing word. So NSG is basically a network security group that we need to create. We have not created NSG. We have created the VNet. So always when we create the resource, the name of the resource should be similar to the resources, right? If we create
So
the
yeah,
resource group,
Soul have
then
created
we
like NSG, right? Network Security
yeah
Group.
yeah. So you need to give the name of VNet like VNet 1 or VNet 2, something like that. So NSG,
Okay.
now we are going to create the NSG. For creation of the NSG, what you have to do, again, you need to go to the network security group. Can you search network security group on the top? Open a new duplicate tab. Wait here. Open a duplicate tab. If you open if you open the duplicate tab, it will reduce our time, right? Otherwise, you need to go here and there. Okay. So can you search on the top network security group? Security group. Type security group. This is the second
That's it.
one. Top one, first one. Okay. Let me add the power to my laptop. It's
Okay, fine, fine, sir.
also down. Just a moment. Yeah, but as the power it also seems down. Yeah, it's become 10%. Okay, my bad. So now again click on the create button, network security group. Now,
Uh, Network watch.
yes, give the name relevant to NSG, right? Something like that, VM hyphen demo hyphen NSG. Put NSG. Okay, region you can put it's fine, Central India. Now click on next. Did
View
you
and
on
nest.
create? Yeah. So now you have created the NSG. Create.
Hmm.
Click on the create. So here we need to set up certain rule for HTTP traffic, right? So are you aware of why NSG is needed?
For network security purpose.
Okay. So basically, network security group is a key component in Azure that's provide
Okay.
network level security by
Oh, layer one,
controlling,
layer.
yeah,
Okay.
inbound and onbound traffic to resource like VM, VNets and subnet. So it's provide the rules for traffic flow, right? It's similar to acting as a firewall at the network level. Okay. Might be you need to create inbound and outbound rules, HTTP, HTTPS port number. So there are lots of things that you can do it with the NSG. So now go to NSG. Once NSG create, go to inbound security rule. Go to
Go to
resource
resource,
kill.
sir.
Yes. Yeah. Now you become smart. Okay. So now
Thank you,
if you
thank you.
see here, if you read this, just try to see what are the different options. Resource group name is there on the top.
No,
Location
see,
is
there are no location India subscription ID is there. So what is inbound security rules and outbound security rules?
well, that's what I'm telling you. Stop me in between, right? So
Sorry, okay, okay.
inbound security rule and outbound security rule. See on the left, on the top, on the down
Huh.
priority.
Priority, yeah, priority. Where it is? One second down, huh? Where it is? Priority. Name, port, protocol, serves, destination, action. Where, sir? Priority.
No, no, priority on the name, heading name, priority name, port, protocol.
Ah, here. You have to type here name.
Yeah,
Priority.
yeah, 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 correct. No, no, no need to do. No need to do. Just close this. So basically, are you aware of inbound and outbound security rules? I explained you, right?
Yeah, like traffic, incoming traffic, outgoing traffic.
So inbound security rules means the incoming traffic to a resource, right?
Okay.
That is particular to Azure resources, such as your virtual
Hmm.
machine. That is incoming connection. Okay,
Okay.
incoming connection to the organization to your machine. And for example, HTTP port 80 from any IP to reach a web server, you need a port number 80, right?
Yes.
If you are running Apache server that will run on the port 80, right? You need that incoming
Yeah,
port
port 80.
80.
Yeah. Port
Yeah,
80, port 443.
yeah,
Many ports are there.
yes.
TCP/IP protocols. Yeah.
Yes, and you can deny the other inbound traffic. Only 80 port will be allowed, right? Incoming
Okay.
HTTP traffic. Other port, right? For that, there's a FTP port. Okay.
File transferring port.
Yes, so that FTP you can disable it, right? So there are certain security things that you can achieve with the help of NSG, right?
Yes.
So now you can add a rule. Can you do it? Can you add a rule now?
Like add a role. How to add a role? Rule. Action. Huh?
Rule. Yes, yes. So now we need to add a rule. Okay. For adding a rule,
Okay. Hmm.
go to NSG, click on the NSG, and then click on inbound security rule. Can you click on inbound security rules?
Add a search here or what?
No, no. On the there's an option to add. You're not
Add
able
is
to do.
no, one second. I'll see. 1 second, sir. Add tags.
No, no. Add inbound rule.
Okay. I'll give remote. I'll give just this thing. Just take the taxes.
Can you? No, no, wait. No, you can check it. No problem. Just go to more on the left
Go
side.
to
Can you?
more,
No.
more
Go to expand all these options settings.
settings. Okay. Yeah, inbound security rules. Yes.
Yes. Now you got it. Yes, correct. Just so whenever this kind of application you are using now, try to explore different option. I know where it is settings. Okay, I can tell you, but I want you to be explored, right?
Okay.
The more you explore, the more you are aware of where need to do the settings, right? As a administrator, when you are working as an administrator, as an administrator, you should know where the settings. Okay, so there's
Okay, sir.
inside the settings you can able to configure the inbound security rules. You are able to configure the outbound security rule. Now you can click on the add button. So currently, if you see, there are three inbound security rule that is given by inbound security rule that is given by Microsoft Azure. That's name is there, allow VNet bound, allow Azure load balancer, certain things that Azure will give. Okay, some protocol like any protocol, source and destination is there. Any virtual network to the virtual network, any load balancer to the any destination that is allowed. Now you can add on top of that, you need to add custom inbound rules. So click on add.
Now, what is this priority 6400? What is this?
Okay, I will tell you. First click on that.
Okay, add. Okay. Source any. Once again, the source
Wait
filter.
here, wait here. You asked me the priority. Okay, so
Yeah.
first complete this, then I will explain you about the priority. So source
Okay, sir.
any, now source
No, there are
destination
many
any.
options. IP. No, there are many options. IP address, my IP address, service stack, application security group. So I'll give any. Okay.
Yes, click on destination any. Okay, uh, put any is not there.
No, it's not this. You
Okay,
have to type
source
some
port.
reference
Yeah,
names. One second. So I'll read this. One second. One second. Provide a single port such as 80 or a range of 80 such as
source port range.
1024.
Yeah, you can put star. Okay, no problem. Put star.
Sir. So what about real time? How to put like what source range and all? When you're
So
working
source
in
will be
office.
anything, right? Source will be anything, right?
Okay.
Any port. Okay, destination will be
Okay.
any. You can
Destination.
put
Okay.
any.
Custom
Service, yeah, leave it by default. Service,
description no need no.
wait. So service you can use HTTP also. There's no like go top.
Okay. Full like whatever you wanna use you can do. HTTPS. Okay. No,
Click
there are
on the
three
service.
four.
No. Go to that service options. No. Source is any where you have changed all that field. You know.
No, it'll change it. No. It's okay. It's okay. Like any will give no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to service and it's check some other service like
HTTPS.
yeah. So these are all the things that you can do like HTTP or HTTPS, and then you can put custom also, that is also okay. And then in this way you can create that inbound security rule. Okay, what you
Okay.
have done.
I'll add it.
Yeah, you can add that. Yeah, so it will add certain inbound outbound security rule, right? Whatever the things that you need. Okay, based on the requirement, right? It's not that what I need to select. So your architect will give to certain uh, architecture that you need to enable, or you need to think from your application point of view what kind of inbound rule that you are going to do, which port you are aligning, what are the name, what are the descriptions, what is the priority. All those things will be part of this. Okay,
Okay, sir. Done.
Any other questions you have? So you have
Uh,
created the inbound rule. Similarly, you can create outbound rule. So inbound rule will create the request that is coming to this particular server. Similarly, you can create outbound rules. Okay. So the priority that you mentioned, you can assign any priority between 100 to 4096. Okay.
oh, that is priority. Okay, 100 to
So
490, sir.
yeah, so a lower priority means the rule has higher importance. The priority is very low. It means it is very high importance. See the priority that Azure has given. It's very 6,000, 655,000. It's very high range. But you can assign a lower priority to make it higher importance, like based on the requirement of your network inbound and outbound rules. Okay.
Okay.
So by default, NSG come with predefined default rules. That 65,000 is the priority rule. The questions may be in your exams. What is the default priority number? 65,500. 65,500. This is the value. 65,000. Okay. See, the one priority is 65,000. The other priority is 65,500. Like
Okay, sir. Done.
65,000, 65,500. Okay. So this is the value of, you should remember this value, right? Deny all inbound traffic, which is 65,500, and allow all outbound traffic. The priority is 65,000. Okay. And you can also put any priority of 100, 200, 300. Say, for example, if you are adding the inbound rule for priority 100, 200, 300. So 100, the lower the priority, the higher the importance, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
but yeah, so it will work based on the priority. So this is the second lab that you have achieved to create. And now what you need to do, you have created the NSG. Now you need to associate the NSG with the subnet. Okay, now
Okay.
go to your virtual networks again. No, no, leave it. Open a new tab. Open a duplicate tab. Yeah, yeah, that is right. Right. Leave it. It is correct. Okay. Now go to subnet, select subnets. On the left side, you can see the subnet options.
Yeah, correct. Here only.
No, Vinod. Go
Oh,
to
here, here.
previous
Okay, okay,
on
okay.
the
Like, yeah,
VNet.
yeah. Virtual networks. Yeah, I've gone
Yeah.
here. 1 second. Virtual network. Sorry, sorry. 1 second, sir. Virtual networks.
Focus. Do not
No,
divide
no,
the
no, no, no.
attention. Okay.
No, no,
I
no.
want
Attention.
undivided attention.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Sorry, sir. Yeah. See, it's here. NSG.
So NSG, the name is incorrect. The name should be the VNet. Okay. You have given the NSG, that is okay. But click on the virtual network.
I click on this.
Yes, click on that.
Subnets. Yeah.
Yeah, click on the subnet. Now you can associate NSG.
Okay, like subnet. Create a subnet here. Correct, huh?
Hmm. Just try to go through, explore this. So basically, you have created the NSG. Now to associate NSG with the subnet, what you have to do, you need to go to that particular subnet.
Okay.
Okay. And then go to subnet properties. Okay. Close this. Can you able to see that properties?
Properties. 1 second, sir. I'll explore, sir. 1 second. Here it is. Properties.
Go down.
No.
No, no, go down. Okay, click on that default subnet. Click on that. No, no, click on that. Click on the default.
Sorry, sorry. Okay, okay.
Can you see any option to add associate NSG? Go scroll down.
Select services is there.
This is wait, wait. there should be option for network security group field that you have created that NSG, right?
This one, no, enable private subnets.
Wait, can you go back to again? Just search on the top virtual networks. Search here, top virtual networks. Okay. Select that particular virtual network. Select that. Okay. Once you are selected virtual network, go to left side menu, click on subnet. Then it will display the list of subnet. Okay. Now select the subnet. Select that. Find the subnet. Okay. Subnet properties. Can you open the subnet properties? Okay. In the subnet properties, look for the network security group. Can you able to see network security group?
I think subnet ID, I guess.
No, no,
Network walking.
network security group drop down. Click the network security group. Just search network security group. See here. Wait here. You got it inside the security. See network security group. The second one.
Network security. No, network security group. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So now you can save it. Okay.
Okay.
So now you have associated the NSG with the subnet,
I
right?
have one doubt. What is service endpoints? Like, check it. Oh, these are service endpoints. Okay.
So do you got it? What does it means when you as so what does it means?
Service endpoints are like all these services like SQL, Microsoft SQL, storage, all these Cosmo
No, no,
DB.
no, no. I'm asking when you associate NSG to subnet, what does it
Huh.
means? Are you able to understand?
Yeah, yeah. It's for subnetting for groups. Subnetting the dividing the this thing.
No, no. When you associated NSG to the subnets, it means that NSG rules is apply to all the resources connected to that subnet. Okay.
Okay.
So it's provide a very control and secure network. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you associate NSG to a subnet, your network traffic filtering, inbound rule, outbound rule, associate allowed or disallowed to that subnet. Okay, management, all the use case. Now you can see like there might be certain things like HTTP port 80, HTTPS 443 traffic should be allowed from the internet. So you can able to do these things inside that NSG, and then you can attach that NSG to that subnet. Okay.
Yes.
Now the other question is what is service endpoint, right?
Yeah, service endpoint. Yeah, like I understood what is service endpoint. Like it's like all the services which are available in the Azure, like Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Microsoft SQL, all these things.
Okay. Okay.
Look, now what is this the subnet delegation also, right?
Where it is?
Okay, okay. Here.
Yeah, so
Subnet.
there are many things that is not part of your exam, but
Okay,
you
okay, no problem.
can
No.
okay.
Just exploring, sir. Just exploring. That's
Yeah,
it.
just explore this. Okay, this is subnet delegation is a feature in Azure to delegate a subnet to a specific Azure service, like to manage the
Shall I, s-
subnet for the service
shall I save
for
it?
the yeah, you can save it. Okay, for service management, network team basically. Okay, so basically, the subnet delegation, like Azure Kubernetes services use subnet delegations. So there are, many use case. Based on the use case, you need to configure this. Okay, the main purpose of this lab to associate that NSG to that subnet. Okay.
See, I'll tell you main purpose of like associating the NSG to subnet is for This thing, right? Uh, for sorry, like main purpose for asserting the NSG to for division group, right? Dividing the
Mhm.
subnets.
Yes, yes. Assigning that inbound and outbound rules to
Oh, okay, okay.
for
Okay,
the
okay. Traffic
resources.
for the
Yeah,
traffic. Okay, okay. For the traffic.
yeah.
Okay,
That's why whenever you do the lab, you know the purpose of the lab, what it
okay,
will achieve, what
okay,
is the output of this lab. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
So the second lab is also over, or we can discuss in the next class more
Okay, sir.
with
Okay, okay.
some other lab. Okay.
No, I have one doubt, sir. Like,
Yeah.
what is these things? The Bastion, all these things, Bastion, DDoS protection, firewall.
Okay.
Okay, we have
DDoS,
to
I
explore
told
it.
you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we have to
DDoS.
explore, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
We have
So
to
for
explore.
these are the concept that you can also read. DDoS. DDoS, I also explain you like denial of services, and Bastion is again a different thing. So this related to the concept, I will tell you sometimes later. Then,
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, fine. No problem. Thank you.
okay. So basically, like Bastion is kind of RDP. So this is a concept, right? So entire settings that you can explore. Okay, don't delete this lab. You can try to spend some more times. Just try to see if you can add more, users. You can add more groups. Okay, after
Sure,
this
sure.
call, you can spend some more time and try to create the two labs again. One, the users, the group, and then the NSG part. Try to attempt both the two things from your end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm stopping the share,
Okay, okay,
and we
fine.
will discuss the something else if you have any questions. I hope you
Uh,
got it right.
yeah, yeah, understood, I understood. For giving the inbound, outbound rules, yeah.
Okay.
Nice, nice. No, Sajid, sir, yeah, yeah, and I have one more doubt.
Okay.
Like, see, well, in AWS, I can just stop the recording for
Okay.
this.
Okay. Just a
I'll
moment. Yeah.
talk to you later.
Okay.